Convection ovens are incredible assets to any commercial kitchen. Whether you're baking, roasting, or broiling, a convection oven can handle it all and more. The convection oven's built-in fan circulates hot air, resulting in evenly cooked dishes and reduced cooking times. The hot air circulation also locks in moisture, resulting in succulent meats, crisp golden pastries, enhanced flavor and texture. Select from Imperial's gas and electric models, all made with long-lasting stainless steel and manufactured right here in the USA. Imperial's full-size convection oven combines rugged durability with excellent performance. The stainless steel exterior houses a half-horsepower 2-speed motor, and the gas output ranges from 70,000 to 160,000 BTUs. And the 50/50 doors swing open to reveal the personalized oven interior and 5 oven racks with 10 rack positions. Choose the standard depth of 41.5 inch or the 45.5 inch bakery depth. The easy programmable controls include a cook and hold feature that automatically lowers the temperature after browning is complete. Select from manual or snap action temperature controls, an on-off switch with timer, 2 fan options, and a 24-hour digital countdown timer with easy-to-read LED digital display. It's available in gas and electric. Imperial's Provection Oven is designed for smaller spaces that also require convenience of convection oven cooking. The oven measures 36-inch wide by 40-inch deep and can be stacked 2 or 3 high. Each oven provides a gas output of 52,000 BTUs. Imperial's electric half-size convection oven has a half-horsepower motor to provide powerful airflow in half the size. The personalized oven interior is easy to clean and provides better browning. It also has an interior light, 4 oven racks with 8 rack positions, and a fortified door chassis to withstand constant opening and closing. The single and double ovens are available in 2 motor speeds. Imperial, where reliability meets performance and excellence is always on the menu. Visit us at imperialrange.com to learn more.